Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm not sure that this lighting is going to get any better. We'll do the best we can. I tried to get in front of the window. It's cloudy here this morning. Yeah, okay, so let's just get busy. It's going to be the shortest video ever. I will go ahead and tell you this is not my recipe. It's just floating around the internet, and we are in the process of trying to get all of the bad stuff out of the house. So this is my bleach alternative. So what you're gonna need is, well, this is what I use because we use doTERRA essential oils here, so you may have to tweak it because I'm not sure what you do. So a half a cup of peroxide, 2 cups of water, 2 capfuls of doTERRA onguard concentrate cleaner. 2 capfuls is what I use. 1, 2. And then I use 10 drops of doTERRA lemon because lemon smells good and it brightens everything up. So, and that's it. Give it a little shaky shake. And so that is my bleach alternative, and every other time I will add doTERRA onguard as well, or I have both of these sitting in there. So one time I'll add doTERRA onguard and to a dryer ball, but the other one that I add that I did not bring out is tea tree oil. So this one goes on my dryer ball. The tea tree oil gets just dropped in my towels because I only use this for whites, and I put a little less than a half a cup every other time. So that is my homemade bleach alternative. So let me know if you try it out, and I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon, and I will leave the recipe I use down below. Again, I don't know who to give credit to because it's just floating around everywhere, and everybody tweaks it to see fit of their needs. So I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys, when you're seeing this, it will be on Friday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.